Since many days I want to buy an Ilish from a friend. He actually has a big catering business. So what he does is that he gets it directly from the distributor. Usually what he has, I think that's not available in regular shops. So I really wanted to try. So Kaustav Sengupta, I'm coming to you to buy some Ilish. We'll catch you up. We'll catch you guys later at his place. So guys, we are finally here. Please show us what we are buying. So this is Ilish. It looks pretty big. For many days I wanted to try his fishes. We can see the freezer, as I told, like he has a very big catering business. So he keeps all the fishes. So we can see, like we are taking 3. He's showing us 1. Oh man, this looks great. Fish is being weighed. Let's see what is the weight. 1 fish, 1 kilo 150. Total now it's around 3 kilo 300. Pretty big. Average 1 kilo 100 size. Finally the fish is being cut. Peace. So I am telling him how to cut. Fish is filled with eggs. Looks delicious already. Fish is still a bit frozen. He had kept in the water so that the fish gets a bit defrosted. Still frozen. So I'll be taking it home almost in a semi-frozen condition. Looks pretty great. Fish eggs are really nice. I'm already mouth-watering after seeing these. I think it's the first time I'm seeing like frozen Ilish. I've never seen before. Usually in the shops, what they sell is that is the defrosted. I mean, it's not frozen. So this is stored. I think looks great. Seems to be very oily. Looks delicious. I'll share the experience with you guys while eating. So this is the logo of his catering business. His name is Shama Caterer. You can see the number there if you want to contact. So I bought the fish from him. Please tell something about the fish I bought.
Hi guys, this is Kaustav Sengupta here and good morning. নিশ্চয়ই দেখবে যে ভিডিওতে অনির্বাণ ইলিশ মাছ নিয়েছে। ও সেখানে সব মাছের পিস বা মাছ কাটা বা সব কিছুই দেখিয়েছে। আর সাথে হচ্ছে যে মাছটা মানে জানি না তোমরা কতজন এর সঙ্গে অ্যাকাস্টমড বা কিছু, তো মাছ পিওরলি বাংলাদেশ থেকে আসলে পরে ইলিশ মাছ যেরকম হয় বা যেরকম টেস্ট হয় বা যেরকম এসেন্স হয় বা দেখতে যেরকম হয় সবটাই মানে পাবে। আর সাথে আরও মাছ রয়েছে, তো চাইলে পরে সেটাও দেখতে পারো। তো
আমাদের একটু দেখান কি কি আছে।
এখানে সমস্ত ভেটকি মাছ রয়েছে।
ভেটকি মাছের কত সাইজ হবে তাও?
তাও মোটামুটি এটা যেটু কত সাইজের হবে তো অ্যাপ্রক্স?
এগুলো 10 কেজির উপরে আছে, 10 কেজি 20 থেকে 18 কেজি পর্যন্ত আছে ভেতরে।
10 কেজি থেকে 18 কেজি। So guys, this is very big. Usually this size of fish I have never seen in the market. I have been shopping since around 15-20 years. So usually this size for fish is not available in the market easily. Size is like 10-20 kg size. Could you show us like what other size fishes are available?
তোপসে,
So this is topse, yellowish in color, as you can see. I love this fish.
পাবদা,
Pabda, yes.
কাতলা।
Katla, please show us approximate size of the katla. As you showed me, please show them. So we can see it's approximately the size of my palm. It's very big, as you can see. So this fish also is not easily available. What is the weight of the fish? Could you tell us? It must be around 10-15 kgs, right?
Yeah, 10 to 15 kgs.
10-15 kgs. Yes, this fish usually in the market maximum 5 kgs usually we get. This is very big and must be tasty. Please tell us about what your customers feel or what you feel about the taste of this katla.
Taste belongs to every beholder's eyes or tongue, that whichever he or she will prefer. And more often, I like fish too much as of how they call it. And
I'm sure I can also relate to that. Please tell something more if you or else we can or else please wave a bye to our viewers.
শুধু এটাই বলবো কি টেস্ট করে দেখতে পারো।
Yeah, the number is here. You can always contact if you are in this area, anywhere in West Bengal, Halishwar area.